how to use Dall E2 for print on demand. Hello guys and welcome to this video. Dall E2 is a powerful AI image generator that can create unique and custom images for your print on demand products. By using Dall E2 in combination with Printify, you can create one-of-a-kind designs that will make your product stand out and attract customers. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Dall E2 to generate images for your Printify products. We'll cover everything from generating your images and then editing it into your Printify products. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a great understanding of how to use Dall E2 and Printify together to create unique and eye-catching designs for your print-on-demand product business. So let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to do is go to Dall E2. Now over here, this is where we will be creating our designs or art that we will be using on our Printify account over here. Now you could use any theme or any topic that you would like to create your design on, and you could use this images over here as a basis for your art style. For example, you choose an art style over here that you like, and you can simply edit the prompt and create a similar art style that you would like to create. For example, this one, I'm going to click this. I'm going to copy this prompt over here and I'm going to paste it on our section over here, and we're going to edit this. At sunrise, I'm going to edit this information over here. I'm going to type in coffee, hand-drawn morning coffee on a table, just like that. And we're simply going to click on generate, and we're going to wait for Dall E2 to create our image for us. And just like that, it has created images for us, and you can simply choose whatever design that you like. For example, this one, I really like this one, and I could either edit this by clicking on edit. I could add more content, I could upload another image to add to this, or I could erase contents for this page. So I'm not going to edit for now. I'm going to maybe click on variation. Let's see if it can create better variation for us to choose from. And just like that, it has created more designs for us, and we're going to choose a design that we like. Unfortunately, it didn't create a design that I like more than the original, but so we're going to go with the original. I'm going to click on our original option over here. So I'm going to download this one by clicking on this button over here, which would allow us to download this specific image. As you can see, it has downloaded over here. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to Printify over here. Now in Printify, as you can see here, we have a lot of products that we can create our design on, where we can add our design on and start selling. Over here, we have men's clothing. Under men's clothing, we have t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeves, tank tops, sportswear, bottoms, swimwear, and shoes. We also have similar products under women's clothing. The difference is there is skirt and dresses over here. We could also create kids clothing. We could also create accessories over here like face masks, phone cases, bags, socks, underwear, hats, and many more. There's also home and living options over here. Now what we're going to do is, if you have a product in mind that you would like to create on, you could simply choose from any of this option over here. But for me, I'm going to click on bestsellers over here. Bestsellers means that these are the different products that people are buying the most, which means they have a lot of sales. So for example, I'm going to go with this hoodie over here. I'm going to click this. And in this page, we would be able to see the mock-up of the hoodie. As you can see here on the left side, we can see different images of our hoodie over here. And we can also see information about the hoodie, like what it is made of, the sizes, the composition, and like tear away label, runs true to size, and many more. We could click on read more over here, and we would be able to see key features of this product. As you can see here, without side seams, there's spacious pockets, it's 50% cotton and 50% polyester. There's also drawing hood over here. You can also see care instructions and size guide on this section. Now over here on, as you can see, there's a lot of lists. Under the print provider, this is where you would be able to see all the different companies that do printing for this specific product. So you can simply choose any of this option. For now, I'm going to go with the first option. Going to click this. And over here on this page, this is where we will be able to edit our design for our product. As you can see, this is our product earlier. And as you can notice, we have a background for this image, and the color of our hoodie is color white. Now, if we add this image into our product over here, it's going to look a bit weird. As you can see, it's a bit weird because there's a gray background on our design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Canva. And we're going to open our random template for now. It is completely random. You don't need any template over here. And I'm going to upload my photo in Canva. I'm going to enlarge it a bit, just like this. And I'm going to click on edit image over here, and I'm going to click on background remover. And we're going to wait for it to remove the background of our image over here. Now, if you can't use the background remover of Canva, you can simply go to Google and search for background removers, and they would be able to do the same job. And we're going to click on apply. And as you can see, the background has been removed. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to click on share, download, and click on transparent background over here to make sure that it's not going to download it with a white background, and click on download. We're going to wait for it. And just like that, now we're going to go back to Printify. We're going to delete this image over here, and we're going to add our design. We're simply going to drag it into our canvas. And as you can see, our design now have a white background. We're going to zoom in a bit, just like that. And as you can see, we have our design in the middle. We could also click on preview over here. This will show us mock-up for our image. I don't know if you can see, but our design is in the front of our hoodie. And as you can see here, we have a mock-up of a person. There's also other mock-ups over here, like this context too. We're going to check it out. We're going to wait for it to load, and just like that. Now we're going to click on edit once again, and we could add different color variation into our product over here. We could add black, we could add gray, Irish green, dark heather, royal, navy, and red color over here. Now we could add more designs if you'd like over here by clicking on add design. But for now, we're going to settle with our design over here. We're going to click on save product, and this will redirect us to this page over here. And like what we saw earlier, we would be able to see different mockups for our product over here. We would be able to see title, image, color over here, the different variation for our product, and we would be able to edit our description over here. For example, for our title, we could add coffee theme, just like that, and you could add more description to our product. And over here on the variants, we could click on select all, and we would be able to edit our price over here. Now after doing this, you can simply connect to a store, to whatever e-commerce store that you are selling from. For example, eBay, Etsy, or you could click on add new store. You would be able to connect it to Etsy, Shopify, Walmart, Printify, Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, or you could have an API. Now after connecting, you can simply click on publish, and you would be able to publish this specific product into your store. Now you could do this multiple times with Dall E. You could do whatever designs that you would like. As you can see here on the left side, on the right side, I have been using Dall E to create a lot of designs for me. This is random prompts that I have asked Dall E to produce. For example, this images over here, I could use this as a design for my products over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.